Hey guys, welcome to Natural Being DRS. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the acupressure treatment as well as the Ayurveda treatment of varicocele condition. First, I'm going to discuss you what is varicocele and what's the cause and symptoms of that. Then I'll tell you some acupressure treatment of that, which is real effective in this condition. Because in a medical science, there is no treatment other than the surgery. They just put some injections and laser treatment of the veins, but they come back. Usually they come back again. So there is no treatment in the medical science. So I'll tell you some acupressure treatment by which you can stop the increment of the varicocele condition, and also you'll get like 80% relief on your varicocele, as well as I also told you some Ayurveda remedies, the herbal remedies, which will help you to get rid of this pain and this condition, the varicocele condition. So first I'm going to tell you what is varicocele. Varicocele is a condition which is actually happen with the men, and it's a problem of the blood vessel in which the valves of the blood vessel got deactivated. They are stopped working so that your blood comes back to your leg rather than going to the heart. That's why your veins or blood vessel become little enlarged, swollen and painful. And sometimes its color also becoming purple, blue, you can see that. And the blood is not going to your heart, towards your heart, and it's going back to your leg and scrotum area, so that it's real painful and you're sitting and performing your daily works. If you sometimes what happen, it's cause of some anatomy structure, also cause of some body venous compression, also cause of due to some venous compression like nutcracker syndrome, May-Thurner syndrome. These kind of syndromes also impacted, so that the blood is not going back to the heart and it's come back to the scrotum and pelvis area. So in this video, I'm going to tell you few acupressure point and afterwards some Ayurveda remedies. So be with me. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell notification so that you'll never miss my healthy videos. You can also follow me in social media too, like Facebook and Instagram. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So guys, let's start the treatment. So the first point you'll get right here at the side, at your middle finger, at your first joint. This is your first joint, towards the index finger, at the side of and little below the joint, just little below the, this is the joint. You can see that this is a joint. So this point you will get just at the side of the middle finger towards the index finger, right here, just little bottom of your first joint of middle finger, right at the side of the joint of middle finger. So right here. So this is your first point towards the index finger. So it's very easy to locate it. Then you just need to press it little bit and just stimulate this point, just activate this point. And if you stimulate this point by the Acupressure machine, then it will be more helpful and the treatment will be more effective. So we'll set our Acupressure machine. You can say it start, and set the sensation button will be on number 2, like this. I did that. Now when you press this button, you can see it started flickering. And if you don't have this machine, if you wanted to buy it, then I'll give the link in the description, the video description, as well as on the pin comment. You can easily buy it from that. So now I'm going to stimulate this point which we locate right now. We just put the machine on that and just press it for a few seconds, like 6 to 10 seconds, and hold it and release. You need to give a pumping pressure so that point will get pumping pressure, and it will send the energy to your affected area. I mean the varicocele area. Usually when the people have the varicocele condition, their fertility also impacted much, because the production of the sperm count will be hampered. So when you treat this point, it will definitely help you. It's so effective point and really magical. So you need to continue this treatment at least for a month and 2. If you get relief, please continue the treatment until the problem is not subside permanently. See, the valve cannot be activated, but by this treatment you can relieve a lot. You can cure your problem at least 80%. So you can give this treatment doesn't have any side effects. So you can continue at least long time also. There is no side effect. You don't need to take any pills. So this is completely safe side of this treatment. So now I'm just at least 5 to 6 times you need to do it once you are giving your first treatment, and you can give this treatment at least 3 times in a day, like morning, afternoon and evening. So you'll get better effectiveness of this treatment. So I just stimulate this point which I just located on your middle finger at the first joint, at the bottom of the joint, just right here. Now I'm going to tell you the second point of the acupressure for varicocele. You can also put the magnet on this same point, like you can put the ball magnet or all the seed therapy. If you're going to put the ball magnet, you have to put the yellow side on this point for 4 to 6 hours, so that the energy will be increased of that organ. So like this, we have this right here on the surgical tape, and we're gonna put on this point like this and just stimulate this magnet at every hour, so that your point will be activated and it gives more energy to the affected area. So like this you can do that. Now I'm going to tell you a few more points of the varicocele which are very effective, and to increase the sperm count and to reduce the pain also. See, as I already told you, in acupressure we denote these two fingers as our legs. So if you denote these two fingers as our legs, so our genital area will be right here. So I address it by the triangle. So this is our genital area. So this is the first correspondence point where you need to give a pressure therapy right here. So we need a AcuDoctor machine like this. Again, we put the sensation on 2 and the machine will be on number 2 like this. And then you need to give a pressure on this correspondence area, because our scrotum and genital area will be right here. So if you press it for 10 seconds and release, again press it for the 10 seconds and release, again press it for the 10 seconds and release. Like this, at least you have to give the 5 to 6 times the treatment at one time. And this point also you need to give a treatment for at least 3 times in a day, like morning, afternoon and evening, so that you will get better results. So this is the second point. Now I'm going to tell you the third point of the varicocele, which will be just right here at your index, at the end of your index finger, the last joint, this at the beneath of this last joint, just below it, just right here, you can see that. So we will again activate this point by the AcuDoctor machine, So here we go. So we just turn on the machine number 2 and sensation on number 2. See, it's activated. So now we'll just give a treatment on this point. Just pressure it for 10 seconds and release. Again, pressure it for 10 seconds and release. You need to give a pumping pressure so that the point will be stimulated very nicely, and release. Now at least give a 5 to 6 times this pressure, and then come to this correspondence area where your scrotum, penile and everything will be here, the genital organs. So you give a pressure right here for at least 10 to 20 seconds. We need to give good pressure on this point, because this is real effective points. And then hold it and release. Then again give pressure. You will feel mild vibration of this AcuDoctor machine. That is real good. Little pain also, just bear it, because this pain, local pain, will give release of your scrotum pain, pelvic pain and the venous pain. So it will be real helpful. So just give a pressure and release. Again give a pressure, good pressure and release. Again give a good pressure. You'll feel some vibration. That is fine. And release, just like that. You have to give these 2-point treatment also 3 times a day, and you can continue this treatment as long as, because this is completely safe. So these are the 3 points of the acupressure for the varicocele, which are real magical, and you will feel the benefits soon. Now I'm gonna tell you some magnet, how you can put the magnet on these points also. So you will get the ball magnets, yellow side. So this is a surgical tape, and you need to take the tape out, like I'm gonna do that like this, and just take I'm just gonna take some big tape, and now I'm gonna apply 2 magnets right here, and one would be, we are using the yellow side of the magnet like this and like this. See that I'm using these 2, and now I'm gonna apply these tape strip right here like this. So I applied it and I just stimulate this point by these magnets. And if you don't have a magnet, I'll put the link on the description and my pin comment. You can buy by that link. And for a while you can use any seed, any lentil seed, and you can start your treatment until you won't get your magnets. So you just stimulate this point and you can leave these magnets for at least 4 to 6 hours. You can also leave it for overnight for the better results. And just keep, whenever you if you're using in the morning time, just keep pressure in every hour so that these points will get stimulated. So this is the acupressure treatment. Now I'm going to tell you the Ayurveda remedies which will be helpful for your varicocele condition, and you'll be get rid of pain and the pressure, heaviness, the burning sensation on the scrotum area, pelvis area. So the first remedy will be the Pirantak Vati. You have to take, that will be, you'll be get by the Patanjali. So I'll give a link in the description of these medicines also. So Pirantak Vati will be, you need to 2 tablets 3 times a day. After food you can take it, after food. So 2 tablets you need to take 3 times. That means 6 tablets in a day you have to take. And the second medicine will be a Vrati Vadika Vati, which is also will be get by the Patanjali. So Vrati Vadika Vati is also you need to take 2 tablets in the morning, and at the evening after food you can take it. And the third medicine will be, the remedy will be, that is a Kasur Gugul, which is really effective, Kasur Gugul, for this problem. And also as I told you, in this problem the sperm count production will be real low, so that also increase that situation also. So you have to take 2 tablets of Kasur Gugul, 2 tablet in the morning and 2 tablet in the evening time. After food you can take that. So this is the Ayurveda remedies which you can use it for your varicocele condition. And I hope my information will help you. If you have any comment, you can put it on the comment section. I'll be grateful to reply that. I hope you like my video. If you like it, just press the like button and take my video on your playlist so that other people also get benefited, and share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned, stay healthy, take care guys.